In this video, we want to show a technical detail, how to join a shadow ceiling with a built-in wardrobe. Where should you start? First of all, you need to determine the ceiling level and the dimensions of our wardrobe. The size of our wardrobe should extend from the far surface of the wall to this line here. This joint line will later become the continuation of the wardrobe's facade plane. The second point is that the main ceiling plane and the ceiling plane above the built-in wardrobe are two independent structures. First, the structure for the built-in wardrobe is assembled. The ceiling level for the wardrobe matches the plane of the lighting niche in the shadow profile. In other words, everything is in the same plane. Below that, we have the plane of the main ceiling. We don't need to finish this surface because it will be covered anyway by the top part of the wardrobe. Accordingly, to allow the doors to open, we need to install a false panel made from the same material as the wardrobe that will be built. So you need to position the false panel so that it aligns with this edge. And the minimum mark should match this face, yes, with the plane of the main ceiling. This shadow profile is designed to accommodate lighting. To properly install the lighting and connect the power sources, it's best to use a built-in wardrobe. In the built-in wardrobe in the corner, you can run all the necessary wires under the ceiling and place the transformer there. Since the ceiling is lowered due to the false panel, we essentially create a space above the ceiling. You can place the transformer there